This high-protein chickpea wrap is super tasty and filling. It's a not-so-boring healthy meal that comes together in 15 minutes. Start by slicing some zucchini and adding to a baking tray with boiled chickpeas. Sprinkle some piri-piri powder, seasonings of choice, olive oil and let it bake for 10 minutes. Once done, take a wrap, add some lettuce, hummus of choice. I've used beetroot. Then comes zucchini, chickpeas, cucumber and it's ready. These lemon coriander noodles are ready in just 10 minutes and is a must-try combination. In a bowl, add chopped garlic, coriander, chili flakes, spring onion, salt, sesame seeds, soy sauce and hot oil. Mix this, then add lemon juice followed by boiled noodles. Mix and it's ready.
If you find this valuable, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. It would mean so much. Thank you so much for watching.